Hey, welcome back to Check Out the Rileys. I got a little something I wanted to talk about and wanted to share my opinion with you. So if you got a few minutes, sit back, tell me what you think about it as well in the comments. Let's go. So today I want to talk to you about something that goes on here in the YouTube world. Some people know how to handle it and some people don't, so I just want to talk to you about it. What it is the people that don't understand that not every channel on YouTube is a fishing channel, right? As of right now, people can give out wrenches. It's or makes you blue in the comment section if you're doing a live stream. It's supposed to be for moderators, those people that are trusted with the channel to be able to put somebody in timeout if somebody says something wrong, or even block somebody if they're just a troller or something to that effect. However, some of these fishing channels use it to show that you've been there, and whatever reason they use it, right? So they're giving out the moderator for everybody. And when you do that, there's responsibilities for moderators, right? So say if my channel was that type of channel, I would have to go in and check to see who's blocking who. If you're just giving it out to somebody that's random, that just first time they come to your live stream, they get a wrench, they can go in and block up a lot of people that may not have wrenches, right, on your channel, unless you're going to give everybody a wrench, and then what's the point? So on my channel, I decided not to give out wrenches other than the people that I want to be moderators. And those people will, smack a troll in the mouth if they come into the channel or whatever and say some things out of line. Typically, my moderators is somebody that I've been dealing with for over a year or so. And that makes people mad when they come to my channel sometimes, and they say things to me. Recently, I had a person tell me, "Oh, I'm not coming back if you don't make me a moderator." Well, I mean, this is the first time you came to my channel. There's no guarantee that you're ever going to come back anyways. If you don't want to come to my channel, don't. Shit. I'm sure you can find something better to do. If you're a grown-ass man, if you're a grown-ass lady, and you're crying because somebody's not giving you a wrench, what are you doing? What are you up to? What is your channel all about? So I always go to those people's channel and find out what they're all about. I mean, it's crazy that they would even act like that, like big babies or something, If you can't take rejection, I mean, what are you doing on YouTube? What are you doing in the different communities? And in the community that I'm in, there is a lot of fishing channels, and that's what they do. And don't feel bad because you're not blue if you come to my channel. And there's a bunch of blue people on the channel at that time. These are people that supported me for a long time. So you might come to a live stream where everybody's blue. That's just because everybody there has been with me for a long, long time. I only have, 20 moderators, I would say, at any given time. Some people have moderators and I haven't seen them for a while, so I'll take the wrench away from them. If they're not in my live streams, how are they going to moderate anyways, right? But if you're the guy running around crying about, "Oh, you didn't give me a jacket, it's cold, I need a jacket, the first time I'm here I need a jacket," what kind of mess? What are you up to? What are you seeking? Yeah, not every channel is a fishing channel. If you want to grow and you think that's the way to grow your channel, that's fine. It can be done, but I hate to tell you guys, I'm a numbers person. I go and look at the numbers and see what's up. And growing your channel that way, and somebody comes to your channel one time, they grab a jacket, they leave, never to return. That's good luck with growing your channel that way. Just because you might have 7,000 people subscribe to your channel, you ain't got nobody watching your channel. They ain't coming to your channel watching your videos. They ain't watching your You know, but whatever you like to do with your channel, it's yours. So don't give people grief if their channel's different than yours, right? My channel, I don't choose to give out jackets or wrenches or whatever the hip word of the day is to call it. Yeah, I would like to see YouTube do something where they just give like a friend situation, a friend badge or something like that. Maybe they light your name up in yellow if you're a friend of the channel, but you have no power to mute anybody. You have no power to do anything to anybody. Now, if that's the case, I would give that out to everybody or whatever, anybody that asks for it. But other than that, if you come to my channel and you see a gray in my channel, don't mean there's the first time they're there. It just means that's somebody maybe you need to go check out, right? Go check them out. It's not a crime to make friends on the channel. That's how I do it. And if you notice, I will never ask anybody for a jacket or a wrench. I don't care. Give me one if you want to. Don't. I don't care. It's not going to affect how much I'll come to your channel or how much I like your channel or any of that effect. For the most part, I like being gray unless you got some moron on your channel you know, blocking people for no reason. But that's up to you to keep track of who's blocked in your channel and who's not blocked, right? So good luck with however you decide to run your channel. Make it about you. Make it the way you want to do things. And stop crying at people. Stop calling people wankers and all this. All Americans are bad because they're not giving out jackets. I told everybody I'm from this country. You need to treat me like a higher monarch or something. I mean, come on. You know, I told the guy recently that, you know, I don't care what country you're from, what you're doing, what you're all about. Come in here to my channel and in my chat and you talk crazy, I'm going to tell you the way it is. Don't come back. I don't give a shit. If you care about that stuff, whatever. Come be a friend of ours, and that's how we roll. We try to put out stuff that, you know, entertainment. And if you're not entertained, don't come to my channel. Don't even bother. If you just want to come troll me, whatever, you know. I don't be handing out jackets to everybody. Don't cry. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and like the video. Leave us a comment. Do you give out jackets to everybody? We'll talk to you next time.